Choosing the right managed services provider is essential for your business. In this episode, we'll cover the key factors to help you select the best MSP, from security to pricing, for efficient and secure operations. It can feel overwhelming, especially when your business's security, efficiency, and overall operations are at stake. In fact, according to a CompTIA survey, nearly half of companies working with an MSP reduced their annual IT costs by up to 25%. But this cost saving only happens when you choose the right partner. So how do you find that perfect match? Start by defining your needs. Whether it's minimizing downtime, strengthening cybersecurity, or improving cloud integration, knowing what you're looking for is crucial. As Kevin O'Connell, CEO of PCS Managed Services, wisely says, in today's landscape, partnering with the right MSP can elevate your business operations, improving efficiency while enhancing security. Once you've identified your priorities, make sure the MSP aligns with them, especially in terms of security. You should know exactly how the MSP handles data protection, what certifications their technicians hold, and how their service level agreements support long-term partnerships. Finally, evaluate their pricing structure. While cost is important, focus on the value. The right MSP will be transparent, offering a pricing model that fits your budget without compromising quality. For more details, check out our latest blog and add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access.